Hi, my name is Robert Sultan, and I just published a book called Slaughtering Girl. There are a lot of books out on Amazon today, so let me tell you why I think you should read this one. Slaughtering Girl is the story of two powerful women who were fated to meet in the early days of the Chinese Civil War, the war that resulted in China becoming a communist nation. Zhao Limbaugh, or Comrade Zhao, is a dedicated Marxist with a fierce hatred of the nationalists. She's driven not only by ideology, but by the death of her lover during the Shanghai massacre. She's also a skilled martial artist. The slaughtering girl, Chun Liquan, is an unusual child even as she emerges from the womb. She's a product of an illicit relationship between a huge warlord lieutenant and a lustful teenage shop girl. She's born far larger than any child the townspeople can recall. Liquan embarks on a lucrative career as a traveling performer, but she returns to her hometown to defend it against invading warlords. Liquan is a merchant at heart. In Western terms, she's a capitalist. Zhao's Marxist ideas strike her as unnatural and impractical. But Liquan follows Zhao to the Jiangxi Soviet, the headquarters of the Red Army, for reasons that the reader will learn. The relationship between these two women is a little like the relationship between Xena and Gabriella in Xena the Warrior Princess, a favorite of mine. Instead of being set in a mythical Rome, Slaughtering Girl is set amid the very real tumult of China in the 1900s. Slaughtering Girl has the same epic sweep as Zheng Chang's Wild Swans, but it's told from a different perspective, a perspective that can't be found in books of history, politics, or policy. I wanted it to be an engrossing read, but I also wanted readers to come away with a better understanding of China. I worked as an engineer for a Chinese company and traveled widely in China. I find that American perceptions of China don't often match the reality. So I hope you'll give the book a try. Click on the link accompanying this video to learn how you can buy a copy of Slaughtering Girl. And if you enjoy the book, I hope you'll leave a review.